results of a radiation test on the clothes of the late Yasser Arafat are reigniting questions about how he died. The Swiss lab that conducted the test tells Reuters it found surprisingly high levels of polonium-210 in his belongings.
Arafat's widow has called for her late husband's body to be exhumed. Arafat initially led the Palestinian Liberation Organization's fight against Israel, but went on to sign a peace agreement establishing Palestinian self-rule in the West Bank and Gaza. He died in a hospital in France in 2004 after a sudden illness which baffled doctors, fueling numerous rumors and theories.
These are the belongings of Yasser Arafat. They accompanied him on his journey to the Percy Military Hospital in France. Arafat died in this room of an unexplained illness on November 11, 2004. No autopsy was performed. Scientists with the University's Center for Legal Medicine in Lausanne, Switzerland, want to know if the bag contains any conventional toxins. They study samples of his hair, confirm it was Yasser Arafat's through DNA analysis, and screen his medicines. They find nothing. So they next consider unconventional poisons, including sophisticated radioactive material.
Finding out what may have killed Yasser Arafat requires highly specialized machines, not the kind you find in hospitals. So Arafat's samples were taken here to the Institute of Radiation Physics. The results are astonishing.
What we have here is actually the hat he was wearing when he left Ramallah. We took several samples at different locations, and the conclusion was that we did find some significant polonium that was present in this sample. All those samples were belongings from Mr. Arafat that were containing visible biological stains. We did measurements on these particular stains, which shows that there is an abnormal, not normal quantity of polonium.
But you found unsupported polonium in these specific items?
Yes, we did.
Unsupported polonium, the kind made in a nuclear reactor. With so few victims of polonium poisoning, the lab's lead forensic pathologist cannot be sure if Arafat's symptoms neatly match.
It's difficult to conclude. I don't want to make too much speculation, but I think that we have at this stage where would be, of course, mandatory to go further and to try to make more investigation if it's possible.